Here's a beautiful 2012 Ford Econoline Explorer high top conversion van. Beautiful Explorer, 99,000 original miles. Clean Carfax. Beautiful, beautiful van inside and out. Beautiful white exterior. Two-tone tan leather inside. Full power folding rear bench seat bed. Very, very pretty van. Fully loaded. It's an Explorer high top Ford Econoline. We specialize in conversion vans, handicap vans, wheelchair vans. This is a regular high top conversion van. Beautiful shape inside and out. Super clean. Give us a call at any time at 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. You can text us to that number. You can visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Happy to help. I'm going to give you the tour of this van so you can get an idea of what you're looking at. Beautiful exterior, hardly anything to point out on the body, and paint is beautiful. The paint on the roof is in great shape. There's no paint, there's no clear coat faded or peeling anywhere. All the stripes are in pretty good shape. For the year and mileage, this thing is in excellent shape all the way around. It's got Michelin tires. Laser straight down the sides, no dents, dings, all original, no accidents. The alloy wheels have a little bit of pitting on them from age. The tires are at least 50% good. They're Michelin LTs, all the way around, match set. Runs and drives excellent. It's running right now. No issues whatsoever. It's been fully serviced. It's ready to go. Got your rear power folding bench seat bed. You got a backup camera. Got all your window shades, beautiful tan leather, gorgeous LED lighting throughout, flat screen TV, DVD system. I'll give you the full tour here. There's no damages on the interior. It's almost in perfect shape. The van looks and shows like it has 40,000 miles. I mean, it's a beautiful condition. Power folding bench seat bed, as you can see. It's got 3 sections, so there's extra room. All your storage compartments. Got your quad seating captain chairs. This is an Explorer conversion. It is top of the line all the way. Beautiful two-tone leather interior. Got your embroidered headrest. Excellent shape. Carpet and seats are immaculate. Beautiful wood grain. 99,000 original miles. Got 2 keys, 1 remote. The owner's manuals. You got the Explorer conversion manuals. It is a 5.4 liter V8. It is running great. No warning lights on. The radio works. Everything is functioning and operating the way it's supposed to. This is a beautiful conversion van. Tough to find these Ford conversion vans. They didn't make a lot of them. This is as clean as they get. 2012 Ford high top. Just a beautiful, good looking high top van. Take the family on vacation. We specialize in these. Contact us at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. 954-561-2499. You can visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Beautiful. Look at this thing. Gorgeous, beautiful LED lights inside, big flat screen TV, got your DVD set up, got your window shades. This thing's ready to go, needs nothing at all. Came in just like this. It's a really pretty van. Whoever had it took care of it very, very well. It's been serviced. No stories whatsoever. Happy to help at any time. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. There's really not much for me to point out on this van. I try to go over everything, but it's super, super clean inside and out. The paint's very nice. Just a very minor wear and tear if there's anywhere. As you can see, I mean, this thing is just nice all the way around. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. We're happy to help. We can ship anywhere in the world. We can help with any type of pickup and delivery. Give us a call or send us a text, 954-561-2499, or you can reach us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net.